front of me is iPhone 15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate voice recorder. First of all, you need to open Voice Memos app. And if you never used it before, select Continue in the pop-up. Then, to start recording, hit this red button at the bottom. If you see any kind of pop-ups, select Allow in order to use recorder properly. So when I tap on red button, recording is on. You need to hold this line at the top and drag it to see all available recording options. To pause it or unpause it, hit this big button at the bottom. When you pause it, you can use all of those options. For example, you can listen to your recording right away and even skip it 15 seconds each way. By hitting this icon at the top right corner, you can edit it. You need to decide which part you wish to edit and if you want to trim or delete parts of your recording. Just click on the best option and tap on Save at the top right corner. If you don't want to make those changes, just click on Cancel at the top left one to discard them. You can even choose those three sliders on the left, and this way adjust all of those options like playback speed, skip silence, and enhance recording. In order to discard those changes, tap on the top left corner and to save them on the top right one. Finally, if you wish to end your recording and save it, just pause it and click on Done at the bottom right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. To play it, tap on it and tap on the play button. If you wish to rename it, just click on its current title and type in wherever you wish to. If you want to, you can also click on this little icon with three dots and use one of those options, like for example, duplicate. Last but not least, to delete your recording, you can either click on this bin at the bottom right corner of it, then choose OK in recently deleted pop-up, or tap on Edit at the top right corner. Tap on the recording that you wish to get rid of and tap on the same bin icon. If you want to, click on the top left corner. And to bring back one of the recordings that you deleted, click on Recently Deleted, select Edit, pick which recording you wish to restore, and tap on Recover at the bottom left corner. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!